All right, people, so we attended the Fright Gallery 4. It is held by Blood Over Texas. They do a lot of events. We also do Horror for the Holidays through them. Super cool, fun event that comes up right before Christmas. But we met a really cool couple that makes just everything in the shape of a coffin. So while we were setting up, we literally bought this cat bed slash dog bed. Julie and I saw it and was like, oh my God. But I want to give them a shout out. They were super, super cool people. Waits 5 Haunted Designs. All right, so we are in the morgue at this event today. They're setting up some cool ambiance lighting here, which is pretty fun. We got these guys. What is your company name again?
Waits 5.
Waits 5 Haunted Designs. And guys, who would not want this coffin coffee table? Holy smokes. And then they make literally coffin everything. So I'll come back once they're all set up. And then we just finished our booth. You can't dodge, lady.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be back when you guys. Those speakers only have 5 hours anyway.
There's everything set up. And then I'm gonna try to get around here a little bit once everybody's kind of set up and show you guys the rest of the event. But I'm gonna get this foam. I'm gonna do a foam layer here. Julie's gonna pick out some cool fabric, and then we're gonna get this. So it's a small project that I wanna show you guys. All right, so I got this foam at a garage sale, and they actually just gave it to me. They're like, you know what, just take it. So basically I just flipped this upside down, traced out the shape. I'm just gonna come in a little bit, whatever this thickness is, and cut just right on the inside of this line. Okay guys, I'm gonna try a trick that K&T Do Halloween does all the time. Let's see if this works for me. Whoa, no way, that saves so much time. Crazy. So here's Victor in his new little coffin bed with the new cushion inside. We couldn't get him in there unless we put some catnip. Right, buddy? Yeah? You having fun with your catnip in your new little coffin bed? Isn't that right? 12-foot miniature scaly. That's right, Victor.